Hello everyone. What if I told you that money as we know is about to change forever? Welcome to the world of Central Bank Digital Currencies or CBDCs, the biggest revolution in finance since the invention of credit cards. CBDC is a digital version of a country's official currency, issued and regulated directly by the central bank. Unlike cryptocurrencies or regular digital payments, CBDCs have four unique characteristics. First, they are centralized. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, CBDCs are controlled by your country's central bank. Second, they have full government backing. They carry the full faith and credit of your national government. Third, they serve as a legal tender. Businesses must accept them just like cash. And fourth, they maintain stable value. Their value stays constant just like your physical currency. Think of it as digital cash, but instead of being issued by commercial banks, it comes straight from your country's central bank. Let's explore three different forms of money in today's financial landscape. Traditional money forms the foundation of our current system. It exists as physical cash you can hold in your hand as commercial bank deposits in your account. While reliable, it comes with slower settlement time and limited programmability. Central Bank Digital Currencies or CBDCs represent the evolution of government backed money into the digital age. These exist purely in digital format and are direct liabilities of central banks. They enable instant settlement and introduce programmable features. Finally, cryptocurrencies offer a different approach altogether. They operate on decentralized networks with values determined by market forces. Built on public blockchain technology, these systems can provide anonymous transactions. Let's explore three leading examples of CBDC in action. First, let's look at India's Digital Rupee, designated as e-Rupee, launched in December 2022. This innovative system operates in two distinct versions, the wholesale and the retail. The pilot program has been steadily expanding across major Indian cities, with merchant adoption growing consistently. What makes Digital Rupee interesting is its dual approach, a token based system for retail transactions and account based system for wholesale operations. It seamlessly works both offline and online while integrating with India's established UPI ecosystem. Notably, it eliminates intermediary fees, making transactions more cost effective. Moving to China, Digital Yuan or e-CNY represents the world's largest CBDC pilot program to date. With an impressive user base exceeding 260 million people, it's already making its mark in everyday transaction. The digital yuan has found widespread use in retail payments, public transportation, and government services. Finally, we have the Bahamas Sand Dollar, which holds the distinction of being the first nationwide CBDC launch. This pioneering digital currency focuses on mobile payments and ensures accessibility throughout the entire island nation. It was designed with financial inclusion in mind and notably offers hurricane proof payment capabilities, a crucial feature for this Caribbean nation. Let's explore how CBDCs will transform our daily life through five key applications. Retail revolution. Imagine shopping with instant payments that work even without internet and saying goodbye to transaction fees forever. CBDCs make this possible through their direct settlement system. Government efficiency. Government services become seamless with CBDCs. Social benefits arrive instantly in citizens' accounts, while tax payment process automatically, creating a more efficient public sector. Financial inclusion. CBDCs open banking to everyone, regardless of their background or location. With just a mobile phone, anyone can participate in the digital economy. Cross border transfers. International payments become as simple as sending a text message. CBDCs enable smooth, cost effective transfers across border while maintaining local currency compatibility. Smart money. Welcome to programmable money, where payments can be automated, regulated, and secured through smart contracts, ensuring both convenience and compliance. While CBDCs promise innovation, they also bring important challenges we must address. Privacy stands as a prime concern. CBDCs create digital footprints of every transaction, raising questions about personal financial privacy and data protection. While government need transparency, citizens need confidentiality. The technical challenges are equally significant. Building a CBDC requires robust cybersecurity, nationwide digital infrastructure, and systems that work for everyone, including those without consistent internet access. The economic implications run deep. CBDCs could reshape banking as we know it, affecting everything from how banks operate to how countries manage their economies. This brings both opportunities and risks for financial stability. As we look to the future of CBDCs, we are witnessing the dawn of a truly interconnected financial world. Imagine seamless cross border networks where digital currencies flow effortlessly between countries, making international transactions as simple as local payments. These networks will be built on robust international standards, ensuring compatibility and security across CBDC systems worldwide. And perhaps most exciting, we are seeing the emergence of entirely new financial services that weren't possible before, from programmable money to instant cross border settlements. And there you have it, your complete guide to CBDCs. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on digital currencies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our videos.